In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove face shine in Adobe Photoshop. I have this image, and as you can see, some parts of the face are shining too much. To reduce the shine, first duplicate the background layer. After that, go to the Image menu, then Adjustments, and click on Desaturate. Next, go to the Layers panel and create a Levels Adjustment layer. Now adjust the highlights, shadows, and midtones until the image looks balanced. After that, select the brush tool and make sure black is selected as the foreground color. Start painting over the bright areas while avoiding the shiny parts of the face. The goal here is to darken the other bright areas while keeping the shine on the face visible. Once that is done, go to the Channels panel. Hold the Control key and click on the RGB thumbnail. This will create a selection based on the white areas of the image. Now go back to the Layers panel and delete the 3 layers. Keep the selection active while doing this. With the selection still active, create a solid color adjustment layer. Choose a brighter skin color from the image and make it slightly brighter like this. After that, change the blending mode from normal to multiply. You will now notice that the shine on the face has been removed, but the result still does not look smooth enough. To fix that, go to the Window menu and enable Properties. In the Properties panel, gradually increase the feather value until the effect blends naturally with the skin. As you can see, the unwanted shine on the face is now removed and the skin looks much more even. This is a simple and professional way to reduce face shine in Photoshop, using selections, adjustment layers, and blending modes. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.